It's called a scuffle hoe. Blah, 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 blah. Hey guys, Bobby here with Mississippi Gulf Coast Gardener, and today I just want to do a quick video and tell you about a new tool that I found for my garden. It's called a scuffle hoe. Also, some people call it a saddle hoe, and there's several different names, but the bottom line is this could be a very inexpensive tool that is priceless for your garden. Now, I'm a firm believer in no-till gardening. However, you know I've got a lot of weeds, and sometimes I just want to scratch the surface and get that cleaned up so that I can plant in it. And if you noticed in my last video, that's exactly what I did. After I harvested the rutabagas and the carrots, I used my scuffle hoe and just cleaned the top 1/4 inch of the bed, got a lot of the weeds up, and just made it nice and neat so that I could plant my garlic and potatoes in it. What I'm going to show you next is in my raised bed where the kale is. On the inside of this cattle panel, I want to clean all these weeds up so that I can plant some peas. Okay, so you guys know I have a lot of weeds, and this dollar weed in particular, there's nothing I can do about it. It grows in very wet environments like mine, and I'm not going to spray any broad spectrum herbicides to kill it because I don't want to kill everything else. Plus, I don't want to eat that stuff. So I'm going to show you how I use my scuffle hoe to just knock it out. Now, I will point out that I have mulched this bed with grass clippings that I got when I cut grass, so there's going to be some thick stuff, but the bottom line is we're going to do this without herbicides. Check it out. Okay guys, so like I said, I mulch with that grass and that stuff is thick. When it's just dirt, it's a little easier, but it's still a very good tool. I got all this stuff up and out of the way. Now, is it the perfect tool? No, the perfect tool will be hiring somebody to tediously go through here and pick out all the weeds. But I don't have that luxury, so I just get all this stuff out of my way. It's a heck of a lot easier than sitting here trying to pull it all up. This dollar weed is the most invasive weed I've ever seen. Maybe besides Virginia buttonweed. Alright guys, so I'm just going to take some of these Alaskan peas here and we're going to just plant them. And never grown them before. Once again, just another thing I'm trying. These are a bush type pea, and we'll see how they do. The packet reads it's 56 days till it's time to pick them, so we'll see. So there you have it guys. That's how less than a minute using this scuffle hoe saved me 20 or 30 minutes from tedious weeding and sore knees. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And be sure you ring that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new video comes out. As always, guys, happy gardening.